Imagine a plant so ancient that dinosaurs might have grazed on it. Picture a time when the earth was dominated by colossal creatures, and amidst them, a humble plant thrived. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of horsetail. This plant, with its unique segmented stems, has been a silent witness to the earth's dramatic transformations. Horsetail, or equisetum, is a remarkable herb with a history as rich as its benefits. Its name, derived from the Latin words equus, meaning horse, and seta, meaning bristle, hints at its brush-like appearance. This fascinating plant has graced the earth for over 100 million years, making it one of the oldest living plants today. Its endurance through epochs of change is a testament to its resilience. Now, you might be thinking, what could something so ancient offer our modern lives? In a world driven by technology and innovation, the secrets of this ancient plant might seem irrelevant. The answer lies in its potent properties, passed down through the ages. Horsetail is rich in silica, a mineral that plays a crucial role in the health of our bones, skin, and hair. Horsetail's story begins long before recorded history. It has been a silent observer of the Earth's evolution, from the time of the dinosaurs to the rise of human civilizations. Fossils reveal its existence in the Paleozoic era, a time when giant insects roamed the Earth. These ancient records show that horsetail has been a part of the planet's flora for an incredibly long time. This resilience speaks volumes about its inherent strength and adaptability. Horsetail can thrive in a variety of conditions, from wetlands to dry, rocky soils, showcasing its versatility. Fast forward to ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans, who recognized its medicinal value. They documented its uses in their herbal manuscripts, highlighting its importance in their daily lives. They used it for various ailments, from wound healing to kidney problems, demonstrating its early recognition as a versatile healing agent. The knowledge of horsetail's benefits was passed down through generations, cementing its place in traditional medicine. Today, modern science continues to explore and validate the benefits of horsetail. Researchers are uncovering new applications for this ancient plant, from promoting bone health to its potential in treating various diseases. Horsetail is now available in various forms, including supplements and topical treatments, making it accessible to those seeking its natural benefits. Its journey from prehistoric times to modern health stores is a testament to its enduring value. As we continue to discover and harness the power of horsetail, we are reminded of the incredible wisdom that nature holds. This ancient plant, with its rich history and potent properties, offers us a glimpse into the past and a promise for the future. Think of a time when herbal remedies were the cornerstone of medicine. Horsetail played a crucial role in these practices, particularly in Europe and Asia. Its use transcended borders, becoming a staple in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic healing. These cultures revered it for its cleansing, strengthening, and restorative properties. As centuries passed and modern medicine emerged, horsetail didn't fade into obscurity. Instead, scientific research began to shed light on the mechanisms behind its traditional uses. Studies revealed its rich mineral content, particularly silica, known for its benefits for bones, skin, and connective tissues. This validation from the scientific community solidified horsetail's place as a valuable herb, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern healthcare. What makes horsetail so special? This ancient plant, often found in wetlands and along riverbanks, has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. The answer lies in its unique composition. Horsetail is not just another plant. It is a treasure trove of nutrients and bioactive compounds. Horsetail is a powerhouse of beneficial compounds that work synergistically to support our well-being. From traditional herbal remedies to modern supplements, its uses are vast and varied. One of its most notable components is silica, a mineral essential for strong bones, healthy hair, skin, and nails. Silica plays a crucial role in collagen formation, which is vital for maintaining the elasticity and strength of our connective tissues. In fact, horsetail is one of the richest sources of silica found in nature. This makes it an invaluable resource for those looking to enhance their beauty and health naturally. But horsetail's benefits extend far beyond silica. It is a multifaceted herb with a wide range of applications. It also boasts an array of flavonoids, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These flavonoids help combat oxidative stress, a major factor in aging and chronic diseases. These compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to aging and disease. By neutralizing these free radicals, flavonoids help maintain cellular health and longevity. Additionally, horsetail contains alkaloids, sterols, and tannins, each contributing to its therapeutic potential. Alkaloids have been studied for their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects, while sterols support cardiovascular health. This diverse profile makes horsetail a true gift from nature, offering a holistic approach to health and well-being. Whether used in teas, tinctures, or supplements, horsetail continues to be a valuable ally in natural medicine, providing a comprehensive range of benefits for those who seek to harness its power. Taking a deep, clear breath is something we often take for granted, yet it's essential for our overall health. Horsetail has a long history of use in supporting respiratory health, offering relief from various conditions. Its traditional use as an expectorant is particularly noteworthy. Horsetail helps loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract, easing congestion and making it easier to breathe. This makes it beneficial for those battling colds, the flu, or bronchitis. Furthermore, horsetail's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated airways, reducing coughing and discomfort. This natural approach to respiratory health is a testament to horsetail's gentle yet effective properties. Beyond the surface. Horsetail. For skin health and radiance. Our skin, the largest organ in our body, is a reflection of our overall health. Horsetail's benefits extend to this vital organ, promoting both health and radiance. Its high silica content plays a crucial role in collagen production, the protein responsible for skin's elasticity and firmness. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Horsetail can help counteract this process by providing the building blocks for healthy collagen synthesis. Moreover, its astringent properties help tighten pores and control excess oil, making it beneficial for acne-prone skin. Horsetail also possesses wound-healing properties, thanks to its ability to promote cell regeneration. This makes it helpful for treating minor cuts, burns, and skin irritations. Building a strong foundation. Horsetail's benefits for bones. Our bones provide the framework for our bodies, allowing us to move, stand tall, and engage in daily activities. Maintaining bone health is crucial throughout life, and horsetail can play a supporting role. As mentioned earlier, horsetail is a rich source of silica, a mineral that's essential for bone density and strength. Silica aids in calcium absorption, a key mineral for bone health. This is particularly important for individuals at risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases fracture risk. Studies suggest that horsetail supplementation may help improve bone density in postmenopausal women, a demographic more susceptible to osteoporosis. From bones to muscles. Horsetail for an active life. An active life is a healthy life, but it often comes with its share of aches, pains, and occasional injuries. Horsetail's benefits extend beyond bone health to support our muscles and connective tissues. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate muscle soreness and stiffness, making it a valuable ally for athletes and anyone leading an active lifestyle. Moreover, horsetail's role in collagen synthesis extends to ligaments and tendons, the tissues that connect muscles to bones and bones to each other. These tissues are essential for smooth and pain-free movement. By supporting collagen production, horsetail can help maintain the integrity and resilience of these vital structures. Nature's cleanser. Horsetail as a diuretic. Our bodies are incredibly efficient at removing waste products, and our kidneys play a vital role in this process. Horsetail has a long history of use as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase urine output. This gentle flushing action can be beneficial for a number of reasons. Firstly, it can help prevent the buildup of excess fluids in the body, which can lead to bloating and discomfort. Secondly, it can support healthy kidney function by promoting the elimination of waste products. This is particularly helpful for individuals with a tendency to develop urinary tract infections. Exploring the versatility of horsetail forms and preparations. One of the remarkable things about horsetail is its versatility. It can be incorporated into your routine in various forms, making it accessible to everyone. Dried horsetail can be brewed into a soothing tea, offering a gentle way to enjoy its benefits. For those seeking a more concentrated dose, liquid extracts and tinctures are available. These allow for precise dosing and are easily absorbed by the body. Capsules provide a convenient option for those who prefer a tasteless and odorless way to supplement with horsetail. Topical preparations, such as creams and ointments, are ideal for addressing skin concerns. This variety ensures that you can find a form of horsetail that suits your preferences and needs. Integrating horsetail safely and effectively into your routine. As with any herbal supplement, it's essential to approach horsetail with knowledge and caution. While generally safe for most individuals, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, it's crucial to source horsetail from a reputable supplier to ensure quality and purity. Secondly, starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it is always recommended. This allows your body to adjust and helps identify any potential sensitivities. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with pre-existing medical conditions or taking medications, should consult with their healthcare provider before using horsetail. A natural ally. Embracing horsetail for overall well-being. In a world often dominated by synthetic solutions, horsetail stands as a testament to the power of nature's healing touch. This ancient plant, with its unique brush-like appearance, has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties. Its ability to thrive in diverse environments is a reflection of its robust nature and the myriad benefits it offers. Its rich history, spanning millions of years, speaks volumes about its resilience and adaptability. From supporting respiratory health to promoting radiant skin, horsetail has been a trusted ally in traditional medicine. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Chinese, have utilized this herb to treat a variety of ailments, recognizing its potent healing properties. And strong bones, horsetail offers a holistic approach to well-being. Its high silica content is particularly beneficial for bone health, aiding in the repair and maintenance of connective tissues. Additionally, its antioxidant properties help combat free radicals, promoting overall skin health and a youthful appearance. By harnessing the wisdom of ancient traditions and embracing modern scientific understanding, we can unlock the full potential of this remarkable herb. Modern research continues to uncover new benefits of horsetail, from its diuretic properties to its potential in supporting hair growth and nail strength. Remember, integrating horsetail into your routine is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Whether you choose to consume it as a tea, apply it topically, or take it in supplement form, the key is consistency and mindfulness. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your usage accordingly. As with any health decision, knowledge is key. Educate yourself about the potential benefits and risks associated with horsetail. Understanding its interactions with other herbs and medications is crucial to ensure safe and effective use. By arming yourself with information and seeking guidance from qualified healthcare professionals, you can confidently embrace the benefits of Horsetail and embark on a path toward optimal well-being. This journey is not just about physical health, but also about reconnecting with nature and honoring the ancient wisdom that has been passed down through generations. Embrace Horsetail and let it guide you towards a more balanced and harmonious life.